Anastasis.
Hello.
Monica, nice to meet
Nice
you.
to meet
Welcome
you.
to Grind Gym.
Thank
Are
you.
you first time here?
This is my first time, yeah.
Okay. Do you have some questions before we start?
No questions.
I have a question. If you agree to record our session.
Yeah, absolutely fine.
Okay, great. Do you have any changes in the parkour that you
The
feel?
questionnaire?
Yeah, the questionnaire.
No changes.
Okay, great. So let me show you around the gym what we have here, where are important places for you. So here we have two fire exits.
Yeah.
In a case of fire alarm off, you need to find the
Nearest exit.
the nearest exit and go as you are. Do not take anything with you. Okay, here is reception. Here you can find the first aid, water station. Water is free of charge as you are a member of the gym, so you can take whenever you need. Here are the changing room for men and women. Inside you have lockers with keys, shower, toilet, so everything is here. Here we have
This is the office?
Yeah, the office where you can find the owner and you can
Speak, okay. Any
speak
member of the
about
staff, okay.
yeah. Okay. So do you have any questions about the session?
Yes, tell me what we're gonna do today.
Okay, so first we will start with the warm up. First on the row, I will show you how it works. Did you use row before?
I've done in the past, yeah, a bit of jiu-jitsu.
Oh,
I know
okay,
how to
great.
use it,
Then we have some mobility warm up, and then main training. It will be full body training today. And just one more thing, in the changing rooms and also shower and in this area, please do not record. Anywhere else in the gym, you can record yourself. It's not a problem. And also, we will record our session
Okay.
later, also to see the progress. If it's fine for you.
Yeah.